Imagine you're standing at the edge of a harbor. Suddenly, out of nowhere, something creeps in silently, like a cat sneaking into your house at midnight. No sound, no warning. It just arrives. What is it? It's not a cat, it's fog. And one poet turned just 6 lines into one of the most famous poems in English literature. Let's decode it. About the poet. Carl Sandburg was an American poet who loved writing about nature and everyday life in the simplest possible language. This poem, Fog, is one of the shortest yet most powerful poems you'll ever study. Just 6 lines, 21 words, 0 rhyme, 100% imagery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, Dilly Teacher. Line by line explanation. Line 1. The fog comes. Okay, class. Notice something. Sandburg doesn't say the fog arrives or descends or falls. He says it comes like a living being. Right from the first line, he's treating fog as if it's alive. This is personification beginning already. The fog is not a weather event here, it's a character entering a scene. CBSE key point. The fog is introduced as if it has a will of its own, it decides to come. Line 2. On little cat feet. Now here's the magic line. This is the heart of the entire poem. Sandburg compares the fog to a cat, but notice, he does not say the fog is like a cat. He says it comes on little cat feet. This is a metaphor, not a simile. No like or as is used. The fog doesn't just resemble a cat, it practically is a cat. Why little cat feet? Think about it. When a cat walks, does it make noise? No. A cat walks silently, softly, gently. That's exactly how fog rolls in. You don't hear it, you don't notice it approaching, and suddenly, it's everywhere. CBSE key point. This is a metaphor. Fog equals cat. The word little shows the fog's quiet, gentle, and noiseless arrival. Line 3. It sits looking. Now picture this. The fog has arrived like a cat, and what does it do? It sits. Just like a cat sits on a windowsill and stares outside. The fog has settled over the city. It's not moving. It's not rushing. It's just sitting and watching. The word looking gives the fog eyes, as if it's observing everything below it. CBSE key point. Personification. Fog is given human-animal qualities of sitting and looking. It shows the fog is stationary for a while, covering everything. Line 4 and 5. Over harbor and city, on silent haunches. Teacher voice. Class, what are haunches? When a cat sits, it bends its back legs and rests on its haunches, its hips and thighs. Now imagine a giant cat sitting on its haunches, and it's so big that it covers the entire harbor and the city. That's the fog. And the word silent, this is so important. The fog makes no sound. A cat on its haunches makes no sound. Everything is wrapped in this eerie, peaceful silence. The harbor, where there are usually ships, noise, workers, is now quiet under a blanket of fog. CBSE key point. Silent haunches reinforces the metaphor. The fog sits over the city the way a cat crouches silently. The scale shifts from small cat feet to massive harbor and city, showing how fog spreads everywhere. Line 6. And then moves on. Teacher voice. And just like that, it's gone. The fog doesn't announce its departure. It doesn't wave goodbye. It simply moves on. Just like a cat never asks permission to come, never tells you it's leaving. It just walks away when it wants to. This line shows the temporary nature of fog. It comes, it stays, and then it disappears. There's something mysterious and independent about it, exactly like a cat. CBSE key point. The fog is transient, temporary. The casual phrase moves on suggests effortless, quiet departure, reinforcing the cat metaphor till the very end. Poetic devices, CBSE board favorites. Metaphor. The entire poem is an extended metaphor comparing fog to a cat. Most important device asked repeatedly in boards. Personification. Fog is given animal-like qualities. It comes, sits, looks, and moves on. Imagery. Visual imagery of fog silently covering a harbor and city like a crouching cat. Enjambment lines flow into each other without punctuation, mimicking the continuous, flowing movement of fog. Free verse. No rhyme scheme, no fixed meter. The poem flows freely, just like fog itself. Central idea. The poem Fog by Carl Sandburg uses an extended metaphor to compare fog to a cat. Just as a cat arrives silently on soft feet, sits quietly on its haunches observing its surroundings, and then moves away without warning, the fog too comes softly, lingers over the harbor and city, and departs silently. Through this simple yet powerful comparison, Sandburg captures the mystery, silence, and transience of nature in just 6 lines. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe for more such explanations.